So hey, welcome to what is my second channel. Oh, this is, I have, what am I talking about? This is my second channel for vlogs recorded by webcam. It's just so I can talk to you guys about stuff and tell you about the videos that are on my main channel, and there'll be like skits and stuff like that. My main channel is called Monsters Foolish, and there is a link in the description if you want to go check that out. I apologize for my face today, it's kind of like... So yes, this is my second vloggy channel. Yay. Sorry if I talk too fast, I'll try and work on that. Bye-bye.